want to eat this? No, I don't want it at all. Do you want to eat this? No, I don't want it at all. Do you want to eat this? No, I don't want it at all. Do you want to eat this?
No, I wanna eat nutrition.
Yeah. I gotta stay healthy. Yeah. I gotta stay. I got one body, I'ma treat it right. That means working out, I'm going to sleep at night. When my stomach's hungry, I gotta feed it life. Saying no to that junk food, I'm eating right. In addition to chowing down, I need to move, cause I'm full of energy after eating foods like apple, brown rice, and grapes. Spinach, yogurt, and avocado got me feeling great, yeah. Being healthy is key, it's the new wave. So let me break it down to you in a few ways. Exercising, running and bike riding, or walking to the store with your homies on a cool day. No matter what it is, be active. Climb up a mountain and take a few selfies. If it's planting a garden with your friends and just going hard at the gym, we gotta stay healthy. I gotta stay healthy. Good food, good sleep, they help me. Nah. I get way more done, cause way more power means way more fun, yeah. I'm living my best life. Looks good, feels good, sounds good, hey. All together for the win. With my family and friends, we gotta stay healthy. Yeah. I gotta stay healthy. Yeah. I gotta stay. I can be what I wanna be. Grow strong and tall and ready to play ball. Or maybe I can be a scientist or the president. I'm in my element when I make good choices and wise decisions. Focused on my health and my nutrition. See, I'm gon' listen when my body says feed me, and pay attention when water says drink me. Spread the word, y'all, do y'all's part, and let everybody know being healthy so smart.